morning, everyone. Just wanted to give you another little pointer in regards to your breath as we're getting ready to prepare for the Breathwork workshop tomorrow night. So I'm feeling a little drained. End of the week's coming, and so one of the hacks that I use, which is something that most of you probably don't know, is that your nervous system is split. So you've got left side is your parasympathetic, right side sympathetic. And so if you're feeling kind of down, fatigued, low energy, it even works, if you're feeling depressed, what you can do is block your left nostril, because that's the parasympathetic. An easy way to remember that is kind of like paralysis and or lefty-loosey. That's what I usually teach my clients. So if you're too loose, too tired, too depressed, then you're going to want to block your left nostril. So usually when I wake up first thing in the morning, before I get out of bed, I kind of just block that left nostril. Just take some deep breaths through the right nostril only. No mouth breathing, nostril only. So it works on the other side too. So your sympathetic nervous system, if you're feeling too hyper, if you're kind of hypomanic, if you're filled with so much energy, you don't know what to do with it, you could block the right nostril and just take some breaths through the left. So that's going to loosen you up on this side, lefty-loosey. And if the left side is the problem, you have too much looseness, too much tiredness, too much fatigue, depression, block that left nostril and just breathe through the right. So that's one of the tricks I teach my clients. You could further enhance that. As you can see behind me, that's just some of the many essential oils that I use. So the two basic ones that I typically suggest for clients, if you have peppermint and lavender, those are two really good ones. So for example, if I am too loose, then I'm blocking the left, and I could breathe through the right and put some peppermint there. Any kind of uplifting scent, a citrusy scent, those are usually good. So that would further enhance the sympathetic nervous system and give you some energy. And then if you're, vice versa, if you're feeling a little too wound up and you need to calm down, block the right, lavender on the left. So that's a pretty simple one too. When I come here in the morning, such as this morning, typically I tend to blast some awakening oils in my diffusers in the office. So I definitely have this morning a combination of peppermint and orange. Those two together are really good for waking yourself up and like chronic fatigue. So anyways, I'll talk a little bit more about parasympathetic and sympathetic, looking at it from a trauma shock perspective at the workshop in regards to what your body may experience and what we will do if that comes up in your sessions. And if anybody has any other questions, feel free to reach out. I know some of you continuously keep asking some questions, so don't feel like you're bothering me. I will get to you when I can. I typically am pretty busy seeing clients back to back all day, so probably won't be till the evening time that I get you. But keep the questions coming. And if you didn't get your tickets yet for tomorrow night's Psychedelic Breathwork workshop, go ahead and do that. Happy Valentine's Day, and I will see you all tomorrow night. Bye.